Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. I've got a lot of questions over the last few weeks about oil and the USO is a good proxy of it. The question of course is, folks trying to catch the bottom and that's natural. It's a natural thing that people do. Problem is you need a bottom and so far we just haven't seen one. Last week, Thursday, big spike down again, volume expands. Thursday is when inventory numbers come out. The problem with oil right now is there's way too much supply. And until that corrects its situation, this is a commodity. Until that corrects, this thing's going to keep trying to press lows. And if we look over here, I've got the monthly up. This thing is pressing the very lows on a monthly. We're about halfway through the month. Volume here 284. We're doing 102. It looks like it's not going to have the volume on the monthly. Low here 228, again not going to have the volume. So is this the place that we're finally going to get some sort of a spike bottom, some sort of a washout if you will, and turn this tide? It's possible. So on the monthly chart, there's the possibility. So if you flip back to the daily, what will it take? Well, it takes, or what I would look for is some sort of a, just like you see here, a little hammer reversal. You'd like to see it get under, back over, hammer reversal, and not give up the low of that hammer. At that point, you could feel comfortable that you might have some sort of a short-term bottom in, and this thing can start to trade higher. If it does that, what you're looking for then is a retest, regenerate, bearish to fail. So in other words, if you see price come down into this area, get a hammer reversal, come back up, and get above this and stay above it for a bar or two. That would tell you you've probably got a short-term bottom in, right? And then the next trip down is probably going to be the real buy if it happens. That's today's short take.